Hey, welcome to John's Guitar Lab. Today we're doing sharps. Okay, remember in our last video we did with the guitar how to find all the natural notes on the neck, and then I did that thing about the modes and how everything worked out. Okay, here we're going to deal with just the sharps. All right, these are the symbols, incidentally, that this is the sharp symbol, tic-tac-toe sign. That's what we're going to be dealing with today. All right, but the rest of it, and this will be in a separate video, we'll be dealing with the flats, which looks like a small b, and then we have what we call a natural sign. You see what that looks like. I wouldn't even know how to describe it. A box with two legs going one way and one the other way. Anyway, what a sharp does, and also they refer to the term of sharp, flats, and naturals, they call them accidentals. All right, what a sharp does is it raises the note, what we call a half a step. To remember, the half step is 1 fret. Okay, a sharp will always raise a note 1 fret. For instance, if we have a C note up there, we want to play a C sharp. So we want to come up a half a step. What does this look like on the guitar? Here's a C. First finger, first fret, second string. If we want to make this note sharp and we come up a half a step is 1 fret. Remember, in this case, this becomes your starting point, 1 fret, half step. So there we have C sharp. D, that's on, right now we're going in the order here. The next note is E, a D. We want to make the D sharp. Again, here it's going to be all half steps. So 1 fret, D, half step. Right? E. Okay, we're up to E. We want to make the E sharp. Okay, if we make the E sharp, and this is where it really gets interesting, it's an F. Right? The term for this is called enharmonic. En harmonic. All that means is it's a note, or to the two notes in this case, F and E sharp, that they sound the same, but they have two different names. Okay, sounds the same, two different names. All right, so E sharp and F are the same note. Depending on, and here I'm just going to throw this out, but depending on what key you're in and how the composer writes the music is determined, would they use an F, a regular F here, or what we call an F natural, or would they write it as an E sharp? Right? So going up any place here, E to F, where you have the half step already, if you're going to play that note sharp, it's going to be, another note name. That's only going to occur in two places. The only two places you'll see this occur, and that again from the natural scale, from the C major scale, the only places that's going to occur is, if you remember, you had a half step between E and F, and you have a half step between B and C. Okay, so if we were to play B, open B, second string. Now we want to play B sharp. Remember, open string, our starting point is the nut over here, first fret. What note is that? C. So in the key of C major, if you're working out all your sharps, all right, the only place where you're going to have enharmonic notes are going to be the E to the F and the B to the C. Hope that clears this up a little bit about sharps and flat. You know, we'll be dealing with flats in a separate video. But just quick overview here. Open string, a sharp is always going to be the first fret. Again, depending on how the composer writes it out, it might be E, F. Okay, no problem there. It might be E, E sharp. Now, for those that don't read music, in tab, this is irrelevant because it's just where the note is. You know, this would be first finger, first fret, or first fret, first string. That, when you're writing tab, it doesn't give you, you know, the names. Again, incidental information. All right, so that's how we find all the sharps. Okay, and we'll be doing a video strictly on flats. All right, hope you enjoyed this. Give me the thumbs up if you like it. Questions, naturally. You know, I'm always interested in feedback. All right, and comments below. Enjoy your day. Stay safe.